Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, statimusa.com, 704-966-1650. Does your Statim have a cycle fault 25? Have you replaced the double thermal fuse and it keeps blowing? Don't fret. Call 704-966-1650. Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions has a national loaner program. The fastest turnaround times in the industry, 2 to 3 business days. You don't have a box? We'll send you an empty one with a prepaid label to get it to us. 2 to 3 day turnaround time. Statimusa.com, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, home of free technical support on any tabletop autoclave, Scican, Midmark, Tuttnauer. Call us today, 704-966-1650.